In this video, we have a 4-minute Gua Sha routine for facelift and jawline sculpt. Before you start, wash your hands and your Gua Sha and moisturize your face. As always, we start with lymphatic drainage. Slide downwards on the sides of your neck with your Gua Sha smoothly. Keep doing this for 10 seconds on each side. With this move, you're gonna open lymph nodes here and start depuffing and detoxifying the skin. Next move is for double chin. Start to slide smoothly downwards from your chin to the bottom of your neck for 10 times. This move will reduce fat cells in this area. It will also help to reduce horizontal wrinkles on the neck. Next is jawline sculpting massage. With your Gua Sha, start to move from your chin upwards to your ears. Keep doing this slowly for 10 times on each side. Don't forget to hold your Gua Sha in an angled position towards your skin. At the end, move downwards on the sides of your neck to move stagnant fluid and toxins out of the face through lymph nodes. Next exercise is jowls lifting. Put your Gua Sha on the sides of your chin and start to move upwards to the sides of your nose. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. This move will help to boost blood circulation and collagen production. As a result, it will reduce any fine lines and wrinkles in this area, especially marionette lines and smile lines. Additionally, it will lift the lip corners and sagging jowls. It's also working on the lip muscles and help the lips to get plumper and stay young. Next move is cheeks lifting. Put your Gua Sha on the sides of your face on the smile lines area and start to move upwards on your face towards your ears. Keep doing this smoothly and slowly for 10 times on each side. This effective exercise will reduce smile lines, lift lip corners. It will also boost blood circulation and help with depuffing and detoxifying the skin. As a result, you will get sculpted cheeks and a lifted glowing face. As your Gua Sha moves on the buccal area, it will also reduce the fat in this area. Some key benefits of facial Gua Sha are improving blood circulation, promoting lymphatic drainage, contouring, and lifting the face, also reducing tension in the muscles. And lastly, we finish our routine with lymphatic drainage. Gua Sha for the lower face is a popular technique that helps sculpt and define facial contours. Regular practice can promote a slimmer appearance and can help in reducing facial puffiness and excess fat. So with Gua Sha, you can see the results much more faster compared to other face yoga techniques. So this was it for today's quick and easy Gua Sha routine. I hope it was helpful. See you in next video. Bye!